In this video, we will talk about how to fix the file is too large for the destination file system. Step 1. Check the file system. Click on File Explorer, then this PC. Right-click on USB drive. Select Properties. Here, you will see the file type. If it says FAT32, that's a problem. Step 2. Convert FAT32 to NTFS without losing data. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type Convert, then E:, and replace E with your drive letter. /FS: NTFS, and press Enter. Wait for the conversion to complete. This changes the file system from FAT32 to NTFS without deleting data. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Now, you can move files without having this error message. So that's how you can fix the file is too large for the destination file system. See you in the next video.